It starts quietly. You're at a restaurant. The lighting is low. You stretch the menu just a little farther away, then a little more. Or you're driving at night, and those clean streetlights you remember? Now they explode into starbursts. And you think, is this it? Is my vision just going downhill? If you're over 40, this isn't random. But here's the part nobody tells you. Your eyes are not broken. They're overworked, inflamed, undernourished. And today, I'm going to show you how to naturally sharpen your vision at home, without weird gadgets, without dangerous hacks, and without pretending aging doesn't exist. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn how to clean up internal oxidative stress, rebuild your eye's natural blue light shield, reset digital eye strain, and retrain your focusing muscle. Let's fix the blur, the smart way. Stop thinking of your eye as a camera. Your eye is more like a high-performance biological engine. From the second you wake up, it's firing non-stop. Every time light hits your retina, a chemical reaction explodes, sending data to your brain. And every explosion creates waste. In your 20s, your body cleans it instantly. After 40, cleanup slows down. That waste builds up like smog in a city. That smog equals oxidative stress. That stress equals blur, glare, fatigue. So before exercises, we start with cleanup. Deep inside your eye is the macula, the bullseye of your vision. It's responsible for reading, fine details, seeing contrast. The macula contains a yellow pigment that acts like built-in blue light glasses. But here's the problem. Your body cannot produce this pigment. You must eat it. The two critical compounds are lutein, zeaxanthin. They are found in spinach, kale, collard greens, egg yolks. But here's where most Americans mess this up. They eat greens raw, with zero fat. These nutrients are fat-soluble. No fat equals no absorption. If you eat spinach without olive oil, avocado, nuts, eggs, you're basically wasting your time. Add healthy fats, and your internal sunglasses start rebuilding. Within 2 to 3 weeks, many people notice less glare at night, better contrast, reduced washed-out vision. The retina has the highest concentration of DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid, in your entire body. Think of DHA as motor oil for your visual engine. Without it, contrast fades, eyes dry faster, focus feels dull. Best sources: salmon, sardines, mackerel, twice a week minimum. Hate fish. Use a high-quality algae-based DHA supplement. When your retina is properly fueled, black text looks darker, white looks cleaner, screens feel less harsh. That gray film effect begins fading. Normally, humans blink about 18 times per minute. On a computer, that drops to 4 to 5. Worse, we do half blinks. That means your tear film never seals properly. Your tear film has 3 layers. Mucus sticks to eye. Water hydrates. Oil prevents evaporation. Half blinks equals no oil layer release. So moisture evaporates instantly. That scratchy, gritty, heavy feeling? That's tear evaporation damage. Biggest mistake: bright screen, dark room. That's like staring at a flashlight in a cave. Instead, match screen brightness to room brightness. Turn off harsh overhead lights if possible. Use a warm desk lamp. Position it behind your monitor, bouncing off the wall. This creates bias lighting. Result: reduced glare. Natural blink rate increases. Less eye fatigue. Most people feel relief within days. Inside your eye is the ciliary muscle. It squeezes to focus up close, relaxes to see far away. After 40, it stiffens. This is called presbyopia. Modern life locks this muscle in close-up mode for 8 to 10 hours daily. That creates focusing spasm. Here's the reset. Hold your thumb 10 inches from your face. Focus hard on your thumbprint for 5 seconds. Then shift to something 20 feet away. Actually focus, don't just glance. Back and forth. 10 representatives. It takes under a minute. This breaks focusing spasm, restores elasticity, speeds up focus transitions. Do it daily. Within weeks, switching focus feels smoother. When eyes are stressed, your brain is stressed. The optic nerve is directly connected to the brain. So we interrupt the stress loop. Rub your palms until warm. Cup them over closed eyes, without pressing. Create total darkness. Breathe slow. Try to visualize pure black. At first, you'll see gray static. That's neural noise. Let it settle. 2 minutes. This relaxes ciliary muscle, boosts blood flow, resets tear film, activates parasympathetic calm mode. Do it at 2 p.m. when the headache creeps in. It's more powerful than caffeine. Modern life forces tunnel vision. Emails, text, screens. Tunnel vision signals danger mode to your brain. That increases tension. Try this right now. Pick a point in front of you. Keep your eyes locked there. Now, without moving them, notice the ceiling, the floor, the side walls. Expand awareness. Zoom out mentally. When done correctly, shoulders drop. Breathing slows. Eye strain melts. This shifts you into parasympathetic mode. Do it for 30 seconds during screen work. It's a nervous system reset. Day 1. Add spinach plus olive oil at dinner. This week, eat fatty fish twice. Tomorrow, fix your lighting setup. Daily, near-far shifts, 1 minute. 2-minute palming reset. Peripheral expansion, 30 seconds. You don't need surgery. You don't need miracle drops. Your body wants to see clearly. It just needs fuel, recovery, and smart training. If this helped you understand your eyes in a completely new way, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this matters. Drop a comment. Are you dealing with night glare or reading strain? And if you're serious about staying sharp after 40, subscribe, because we're just getting started. Stay focused. I'll see you in the next one.